Hello everyone, back in the studio this week after last week's little adventure showing you my inspiration along the river Garonne. And well, I've been finishing this one and I think I finally got there. I didn't film it because I've been standing back a lot, coming backwards and forwards, so let me know if you too think it's finished. I know I say that every time I keep going back in, but I'm happy with it. And I wanted to do the same, not the same, but I wanted to work on another one. I'll put this one down for a while, maybe for good. Yeah, so I think with this one, I achieved my intention of a calming, it was quiet, peaceful, calm river, serene. And well, I think I've got there. And well, that was my intention. That's what it's all about, I think. And when you get there, you know, don't you? You can keep adding layers and layers and layers. And I love that process. But sometimes you've got to watch out for those little pointers that lead you to where you're going. And well, like I said, if you've got that intention to start with and it's in your mind, then it's something to work towards. And that's what ends up creating a meaningful piece of artwork that you feel connected to and that usually others feel connected to too. So I'm going to go in with this one. I'm feeling light and airy. Just come off my bike ride, as you can see. And I'm going to get some lightness into this one. Been looking at the reflections again on the river, looked at the video from last week, and well, keeps inspiring me. So I've got some colours mixed up, some light colours from working on that one. And I'm just going to continue moving towards my intention. Light and airy. This was an old painting that I covered up. You want to see it in a video a while back. I haven't worked on it for a while because I've been busy with other stuff. And if you're an artist watching this and you create art, I suppose like I used to paint nice, pretty pictures without any true meaning behind it, well, maybe you'd be interested in joining me. I'm coming on, it's tomorrow, in fact. Tomorrow I'll put the details below for a little class live online about creating meaningful art through mixed media. So hope you can join me for that. It's very soon. All these layers have not been wasted. They've all been building up to, well, this point. And I'm watching now for something that's going to head me in the direction of where my intention started. We've got some light purpley and some light turquoise colour. We've got a bit of dark on there, it doesn't matter. Of course, I want some darks in there to contrast with the lights. So I'm not going to cover everything up. Collage on this one as well, and well, paints, obviously inks, all the usual good stuff. like I said, I don't want to get rid of all of those darks. So you can always bring some back by taking off the paint you've just put on. See, I like this bit and these darks. So I guess today's tip is that contrast darks and lights. And I've been painting for a while now. After coming back on my bike, do you know what I saw? I saw today squirrel, baby donkey, and some adult and baby reindeer. So a good trip on my bike today. I'm going to leave it there. I just wanted to pop on and tell you about tomorrow, and well, I will put the details below and hope to see you there. I'll see you next week with more adventures of maybe Carcassonne, where I went to last weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Au revoir.